Ketogenic diet. Although ketogenic diet has been around for almost a century, it is rapidly gaining popularity today. There is a reason why keto is so highly regarded. It's not a fad diet. It actually works, and it has tremendous health benefits in addition to weight loss. When on the keto diet, you are feeding your body exactly what it needs, while eliminating toxins that will slow it down. The keto diet focuses on low carbohydrates, which the body converts into energy to help speed up weight loss. What exactly is the problem with high carbs, and why should you avoid them? Carbohydrates are converted into glucose and cause a spike in insulin. As the insulin enters the bloodstream to process the glucose, which becomes the main source of energy. A spike in insulin can also result in storage of fats. The body uses carbohydrates and fats as energy, the former being the primary source. So the more carbs you consume in your daily diet, the less fat is being burned for energy. Instead, the spike in insulin will result in more fat storage. When you consume less carbohydrates, the body goes into a state referred to as ketosis. Thus, the name for this low-carb diet. Ketosis helps the body survive on less food. By being in ketosis, you train your body to utilize fats as the main source of energy instead of carbs, simply because there is close to zero carbs to begin with. During ketosis, the liver breaks down fats into ketones, which enables the body to use the fat as energy. During a keto diet, we don't starve ourselves of calories, we starve the body of carbohydrates. This makes weight loss easy and natural. Later on, you'll learn that the keto diet has many additional health benefits besides fat loss. The keto diet is an easy diet, but some people do miss beans and breads. It takes a bit of getting used to. Starting anything new is challenging after all. But ultimately, you'll feel much better, both physically and mentally, that you'd be happy to avoid carbs once and for all. And being able to eat bacon on a diet does have its rewards. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos upcoming. Thank you for watching.